Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars GP Force Chaser one-piece race suit. The GP Force Chaser retails for $899.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update for price changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. This is going to be one of two new entry-level suits in the Alpinestars catalog. There are some ways in which this is going to differ from the more focused race suits. We're going to talk about that as we get deeper into this video. The big news here is going to be Tech Air 5 vest airbag compatibility. That is the universal unit Alpinestars introduced a little over a year ago that you're able to wear under jackets, now with the race algorithm update, under race suits. It really takes a level of protection and steps it up several notches. It's great to see that even in the entry-level stuff, they're making accommodations to accept that. If you're going to use the airbag vest with this suit, the best way to put the suit on is to first lay the Tech Air 5 in your suit. Kind of tuck the little sleeves in, get the vest in there, get the suit up, arms through the vest into the sleeves of the suit, zip up the vest, then zip up the suit. Everything will position nicely. We have a full video covering this where we compare the Tech Air Race versus the Tech Air 5. That method is tried and tested. It works. Sizing. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 195 pounds on the money, 33-inch waist. I'm wearing a size 54 Euro right now in this suit. I have on underneath an Alpinestars KR3 back protector. One of the strengths of this suit is right from the hanger to your body, the comfort is huge. This has a more upright cut. It is really easy to put on. It has a very forgiving cut. There's a lot of riders out there doing track days or even riding on the street in a one-piece that is what they're looking for, more than a heavily pre-curved race suit that's, you have to wrestle your way into. This one just kind of slides right up, and from moment one, it feels fantastic. That's going to be the strength of this suit. Breaking it down, we've got CE certified armor in the elbow, forearm, and shoulder. Integrated shoulder slider here. Armor in the hips. CE certified armor in the knee and shin. Replaceable knee pucks. Ventilation. All of the stretch fabric you see here is going to flow air freely. Allow for air to enter and exit right in this area, which your hands are out on the bars, out in the wind. It's a great way to ventilate a suit. The torso of the suit is not perforated. Perforations here in the hip, and then there's a panel that comes up the side that is heavily perfed. Large perf panel down here in the quad. All the stretch fabric that you find in the crotch, the hip area, as well as the back of the legs is going to flow air freely. The back of the suit, the race hump, is a perforated race hump that has panels strategically aligned to allow for exchange of air and heat energy back in that area. So this is going to be, because of the fact that it's not perforated at all here, you're going to lose a little bit of cooling. Just understand that right up front. This isn't going to be one of the higher venting race suits, but still there are plenty of provisions built into this for climate control to keep the rider cool and comfortable, especially once you're on the bike and you are at speed. Comparing this to, say, their Missile Ignition V2, their Fusion, their GP Tech, the Racing Absolute, as stated previously, the cut of this one is just a lot different. It's straighter, it's a little wider, it's a little more forgiving. When I look at the features and benefits of this, its level of protection is certainly good. Would I go pro racing in this suit? Probably not. I think this one's best fits with track day riding and for street riders that prefer to ride in a one-piece suit in lieu of riding in a jacket and pant combo. If you like what you see so far, stay tuned for the second part of this video. We're going to take the suit off, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, here we go. The all-new Alpinestars GP Force Chaser one-piece suit from the inside out. This suit has a fixed liner. It is not removable. There are access pockets in there that allow you to get to the armor if you want to pull it out and inspect it, replace it, whatever the case may be. Armor that is included. This is the perforated race hump that lines up with some fabric panels here on the hump to allow for an exchange of air, just working to keep the rider cooler and more comfortable. CE certified armor in the knee and shin, elbow, forearm, shoulder, as well as some BioFlex armor in the hip. Each one of these pieces is CE level 1 certified, and the material that it's made out of, as it warms, it becomes even more moldable, flexible, and comfortable. See this in a lot of different garments, good quality stuff. If you want to add chest armor to this, I'm going to show you right now. These are available in the Alpinestars armor section of our website. These are the CE certified chest armor inserts. They will slide into pockets that are built into the liner of the suit that we'll show you as we dive a little bit deeper into the suit itself. As I stated earlier, those are sold separate. Like we talked about in the first part of the video, this is also Tech Air 5 ready. That is the universal Alpinestars airbag vest. This suit is designed to manage a deployment with that vest. You can use that on the street or on the track with a simple change of the algorithm using the app on your phone. We highly recommend that protection. Important note, if you're going to use the Tech Air 5 vest with this, the easiest way to put on a race suit with the Tech Air 5 vest is to first position the vest inside the suit, lay it inside the suit, and then go ahead and pull it up and over, sliding your arms in through the vest, ultimately into the sleeves of the suit, positioning the vest, and then bringing the zipper of the suit up to affix it. We have a full video on that covering the Tech Air 5, right? We show you how to do that. It is 100% tried and tested. It is the right way to put the vest on with the suit. Focusing on the suit itself now. You can see here on the back, we have large panels of leather. There is that stretch fabric that I spoke about earlier that flows air freely and aligns with the perforations on the race hump. Large leather stretch panel, ample use of fabric stretch. The fabric stretch flows air freely and also allows the suit to move much easier on the rider. Large perforated leather panel right here, all in black. Large motion panel here at the waist. It rolls over into the hips. 2 layers of leather in the seat. Integrated tailbone protector. Some localized perforation down here. Obviously that's a hot spot. Stretch fabric up into the crotch, down the back of the legs. They have turned this into a bit of an accordion stretch panel here to accommodate riders with larger calves. You get to the front of the suit. Larger panel of leather here in the forearm, heavily perforated panel here in the upper arm. Reflective panel stitched in the shoulder area. External shoulder slider is integrated. That works in conjunction with the CE armor that is underneath that to bolster protection in that area. Also important to note, if you're going to use the Tech Air 5 airbag vest, you do not remove any of the shoulder armor from the suit. It is designed to be left in there and used in conjunction with the airbag vest. Front of the suit, you'll see that motion panel, how it rolls over into the chest. Large panels of leather up here in the front. It's pretty kick-ass screen printing right there. Cool details, as always, from Alpinestars. Stretch fabric is all the way from the wrist into the upper arm, and it comes all the way up into the shoulders, rolling around into the chest area. They do that to help manage possible deployment of the airbag if you're going to use it. A fringe benefit of that, if you're not going to use the airbag, or even if you are using it, is it allows the suit to move much easier on the rider for a better riding experience. The perforated panel that we showed you on the back of the suit here rolls over into the hips, seamed right here, and this large panel is perforated all in the quad area. All the stretch fabric you see here in the hips, crotch, back of the legs, as well as the chest, the arms, that all flows air freely. So you can think of that essentially as perforated panels that are out of the impact zone. Got a motion panel here in the knee, replaceable Alpinestars knee slider, a little localized perf right here. The boot's going to end right here. It's going to help to keep you a little cooler, a little comfortable. You've got this is a unique fabric here. It's got just a little bit of grip to it, probably help interact with the motorcycle a little bit. You know, it feels like kind of a microfiber panel right here on the inside of the knee. You're going to find that on both sides of the suit. All in all, what do I think? For Alpinestars, this would be an entry-level piece at $8.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. It has all the things you would expect from A-Stars, the cool styling, excellent fit, plenty of top-level armor in there to protect you in the event of a crash. If this is what you're looking for, this is the price point you're shopping in, this is a good value.